In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute a Udemy video. Whether you're diving into a new course or revisiting one, ensuring you can hear the content is crucial for a productive learning experience. So, let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening up your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser. Simply type in Udemy into the search bar and hit enter. This will direct you to the Udemy website, where you can access their vast library of courses. Once you're on the Udemy homepage, it's time to log in. You can do this using your password if you already have an account, or utilize the single sign-on (SSO) option if your institution or company provides it. This step is a breeze. Just make sure you have your login details ready. With that done, your next move is to locate the course you're currently working on or intended to join. Head over to your course library, where you can see a list of all the courses you have access to. Identify the course you want to focus on today and click on it to open it. This will bring up all the content, including lectures, notes, and resources. Now that you've opened your course, direct your attention to the course player. Here is where the magic happens and where you'll be enjoying your learning journey. Look closely at the bottom left corner of this course player. You'll notice a volume icon positioned there. If the video is muted, you'll see that this icon has a little cross through it, indicating that the sound is currently turned off. To unmute your video, all you need to do is give that crossed volume icon a simple click. Just one click will remove the cross and restore the sound, allowing you to hear all the valuable information and insights provided in your course. It might sometimes take a moment for the sound to come back, especially if there are any buffers in play, but rest assured, it should be quick. And there you have it. In just these simple steps, you've successfully unmuted your Udemy video. Now, you can sit back, relax, and consume all the auditory aspects of your course without any issues. Remember, if you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to check if your device's volume is turned up and not muted at the system level. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps enhance your learning experience on Udemy by ensuring you never miss a word. Happy learning, and see you next time.